Tibos is about to find out. Mapitsi and DJ Thomas are in their love nest. Tibos' shoe is knocking. Kamo DJ Thomas is naked. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim. So Utibosi was trying to call Mapitsi because he wanted to use her office. Mapitsi was not picking up, so he decided to just go to the office. Hanti Mapitsi and DJ Thomas are in their love nest, busy doing what they're usually doing. And then now he's knocking on the door. The next thing, he phones Mapitsi. Phone why would I can hear your phone. DJ Thomas is begging Mapitsi not to pick up, but then Mapitsi ends up saying, okay, Kiatla. Then tells DJ Thomas to hide. DJ Thomas is in his boxers, mind you. And then he goes behind the couch. Mapitsi takes the clothes and hides them. But Tibos were like, why have you been picking up? Why are you not answering? What took you so long? And I was on the phone, blah, blah, blah. And then forces Tibos to accompany her outside so that DJ Thomas can be able to go out. And then DJ Thomas goes to some room there in that building. His friend was doing a photo shoot. Asks him for clothes and then says, how I told you, I warned you about this, but look now. And then there's some girl busy taking a video, Hanamu. Go station, they're busy waiting for Mapitsi DJ Thomas. Abarabi, they're not there. Preppy has arrived and wanting to do the interview. Finally, Mapitsi arrives and gives some sob story. Also, she was at his child's school. And then, but DJ Thomas and guy, I don't know, Jiggy, DJ Thomas told her that she's sick. And then KG tries to phone DJ Thomas. Phone Sheila go Mapitsi. The next thing, Mapitsi does the interview and then messes it up. Firstly, messed up Preppy's names, called him Wipilo Masemula instead of Wikanyo Ramasemula. The next thing is asking him about his personal things, his investments, and blah blah. I feel like what did a Preppy. The next thing, Kamo Shuwana DJ Thomas is trending. His naked pictures or videos are trending. And then Meki goes to the Maputlas, to Tibos's house, and Ufit like well, busy like better as usual. Wanting to take over. I don't know if that the reason she does not like her is because Better is from Mapitsi's side of the family, because or she just wants to be a full-time granny and take care of the kids herself. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.